नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो. Myself Jivian Dr. Monica Trivedi. Today I am going to teach you about first law of thermodynamics. This topic belongs to thermodynamics equilibrium solution of BSc B8 PCM ZBC and BSc PCM ZBC fourth semester. Okay, so the first law of thermodynamics stated that the total of the all possible kinds of the energy of the system is known as the internal energy. So the first law depends upon the internal energy. Okay, the first law of thermodynamics is in fact the application of the broad principle as known as a law of conservation of the energy for the thermodynamic system. So it is stated that the total energy of an isolated system remains constant through it may be changed from one from the another form. So the energy can change to one form to another form, but is total energy remains constant. Okay, so when a system is there is no loss in energy. Okay, so when a system is changed from state 1 to state b under the change in internal energy, internal energy is E. So what we get, the change in two state are the internal energy of state A is AE and the internal energy of state B is EB. Thus we can write the change in internal energy, which is del E is equals to EB minus EA. Okay, this energy change by the evaluation or absorption of heat or by the work being done by the system, because the total energy of a system must remain constant. So it can be also write as a mathematically, which is del E is equals to Q, which is a heat, minus W, work done. Okay, so the heat is can be absorbed, or the heat can be evaluated by this heat generation or absorption, the something done which is called as a work. Okay, so W here is a work done by the system and Q is the amount of heat supplied to the system. Thus the first law of thermodynamics also stated that the net energy change of a closed system is equal to the heat transformed to the system minus work done by the system. Okay, so here we also see the state 1 and state 2 when the gas molecule compressed by the piston. So there is a some work done by the system, and some heat is absorbed in the system. So if we calculate the internal energy, which is E2 minus E1 is equals to Q, which is a heat absorbed, and W is work done by the system. So any thermodynamic system in an equilibrium state processes a state variable called the internal energy. So between any two equilibrium state, the change in internal energy is equals to difference of the heat transfer into, which is Q, into the system and the work done by the system. So this is a simple of first law of thermodynamics. Then the first law of thermodynamics is all about the change in internal energy, which is equals to the difference between heat transfer and the work done by the system. So if we put some condition like for the cyclic process, where is a del is equals to 0. So for this kind of reactions, we with this kind of system we have Q is equals to W, the heat absorbed or heat evolution is equals to work done. In case second, in for isochoric process, no change in a volume, therefore is no work done. So for this kind of processes we get del A is equals to QV. Okay, and for the adiabatic process there is a no change in heat generated or loss, so Q is equals to 0, hence del E is equals to minus W. And for the isobaric process, where is a no change in a pressure, okay, pressure is a constant. So what we get for the first law of thermodynamics, del E is equals to Q minus W, or we can write a W is equals to del V. So here we put del E is equals to Q minus P del V. And if the pressure is constant, so remain constant, so we get this equation for isobaric process. Okay, so this session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you satisfied with my session. If you have any query, please comment me.